Welcome to our channel. Today we how to print IHSS pay stub online, easy instructions step by step clearly. To print your IHSS pay stub online, start by visiting the California Department of Social Services website. Look for the IHSS or In-Home Supportive Services section on the home page. Click on the link to access the IHSS provider portal. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by following the registration prompts. Make sure to enter your personal information accurately, including your social security number and other identifying details. Once your account is set up, log in using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the Pay Stubs section of the portal. You will see a list of your pay periods. Select the pay period for which you want to print the stub. Click on the link for that pay stub to open it. Review the pay stub for accuracy, ensuring all details are correct. Look for the option to print, which is usually represented by a printer icon. Click on the print icon to open the print dialog box. Choose your printer settings according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Print. Your IHSS pay stub will now be printed for your records. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the website's FAQ section for troubleshooting. You can also contact IHSS support for assistance if needed. Make sure to save a digital copy of your pay stub for future reference. This process can be completed easily from the comfort of your home. Now you have your pay stub printed without any hassle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.